Hi everybody. TranSmart. Oh, how many of you remember that someone got you, approached you on the street and asked you, how do I get to the central station, to the hotel, to somewhere, and what buses can take me there? And how many times you have already experienced the same experience when you were there and somewhere that you didn't know the place, and you wanted to go to somewhere in the right time and right place? Okay, thank you. Well, TranSmart is coming to solve this. And what we do, it's a smartphone application, smartphone software. The user-friendly information for public transportation at the point of need. The problem is raised usually at those places that we are not familiar with. Those places that we are not really used to go on a daily use basis. So when we are in a place that we are not familiar and we want to use the public transportation, and we want to know where to go and the right time to be there, we usually face a problem of when to go to the station, when the bus will arrive, and when we will be arriving on the before or right on time and not be late. So the application is anywhere, anytime. So if you want to go there, you can just get this final destination and where to go to the bus stop, and when the bus will come, and what are the alternatives. Also can be other buses lines or taxis, etc.
By the way, part of our focus is not only the route, but also when you want to arrive. If you want to arrive at 12, then you can rest and be at your home for another 30 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever. This is a simple explanation of how the application should show you some of the stuff. Where if you wanted to get to some place, so the first thing you need to get to the nearest bus station, which will get you to the next stop. What's the need? Actually, the main need here is to help the public transportation sector. We help them by providing better and easier and more fun service for the customer. People hate trying to figure out how to get what are the lines they should use currently. Currently, this is a real problem because each company just shows their information, and there is no ordered way when you need multiple buses. There's only scheduled times that you need to check. No one tells you currently how much the bus is late, when it will arrive to your station, and that's part of the stuff that we want to bring. The idea here is, the need here is to improve public transportation for the customer as the experience. Another
benefit that we want to gain here is to increase the public transportation use and efficiency, especially those public transportation companies that may gain here increase in their transportation and efficiency. That means more full buses and maybe taxis, so they will increase the net profit. Okay, how we do it? We collect data. We get updated maps, public transportation lines and schedule, real-time vehicle location, traffic congestions and patterns, and pedestrian traffic patterns. Then we use a smart algorithm to provide the best personalized and relevant information, the journey plan, directions to the bus station, real-time bus schedule, directions from the bus station to destination, and of course, location-based services.
Market potential, okay. You can see the data, I'm not going to repeat it. If anyone's interested, there's a big market for public transportation everywhere, and we are starting a pilot in Israel, and there's a full full financial data at the end.
Last comment.
Okay.
Last comment.
Go to market, affiliation with public transportation companies, advertising at public areas, internet, and web and mobile application stores.
That's it. Last comment. Okay.